There are people making more from YouTube Shorts in a weekend than most creators make in a month, and they're not on camera. No face, no studio, no $50,000 gear. Just a laptop, one piece of software, and a system almost nobody is talking about. By the end of this video, you'll have the entire monetization blueprint, the niches, the tool, and the exact funnel that turns 30-second shorts into a self-feeding money machine. I'm going to show you all of it, so stick with me. Because the part most people skip, Secret 3, is the piece that actually pays you. Let's clear something up fast, because most people misunderstand how shorts actually pay. Shorts aren't monetized like long-form videos. You're not earning off pre-roll ads, you're paid from a shared shorts feed ad pool, split across every creator based on views and engagement in your region. That number sounds small. And here's the trap. Creators chase 10 million views, chasing pennies, and burn out. The pros do the opposite. They treat shorts not as the product, but as the billboard. Shorts are the cheapest, fastest growing traffic source on the internet right now. So the smart play isn't to monetize the short, it's to monetize the attention the short captures and route it somewhere far more profitable. That's what this whole video is about. And there are really only 3 levers that matter. Let me break them down. Here's the first thing that separates channels that blow up from channels that get ignored: realism. The algorithm doesn't punish AI content. Viewers do, the second it looks like lazy AI. Choppy motion, plastic faces, that dead uncanny stare, swipe, gone. So the entire game is making generative content that doesn't feel generated, and this is exactly where the tool I'm building this whole system around comes in. This is vid.ai, and I want to be specific about why it's the right engine for this, because not all AI video tools are built the same. Here's what actually matters. Most AI video tools are template machines. You pick a template, swap the text, and, surprise, so did 10,000 other people. Your short looks like everyone else's, and the algorithm knows it. Vid.ai works differently. According to its own creators and independent reviews, every video is generated uniquely. No templates, no duplicates. It auto-assembles clips, layers in matching B-roll, and builds the whole sequence from a single idea or script. That last one is huge, and it's why I chose it for this system specifically. Vid.ai does both the shorts and the long-form pillar. One tool, one workflow. We'll come back to why that matters when we hit the funnel. Now, I always keep it real. Independent reviewers put vid.ai to the test, and the consensus is it shines at speed and volume, pumping out believable, unique short-form content fast. It's not pretending to be a Hollywood VFX suite. It's a production engine for people who need to publish consistently. And consistency is what wins on shorts. Nail that formula and you've solved the hardest part. But a beautiful short in the wrong niche still makes $0, which brings us to the money. Secret 2. This is the $40 versus $50,000 secret, because your niche is the difference between a channel that earns pocket change and one that earns rent. Remember, shorts pull tiny RPMs directly. But the right niche does 2 things. It attracts a high-value audience you can route to your pillar and offer, and it opens high CPM long-form and sponsorships downstream. Let me give you the 5 niches vid.ai was practically built for. Highest CPMs on the platform. Faceless works perfectly. Nobody needs to see you to trust a clean explainer. Vid.ai generates the visuals and B-roll while you deliver the value. Successful faceless finance. Shorts channels prove this niche prints. The audience is buyers, and advertisers pay top dollar to reach them. One of the most bingeable, faceless niches alive. Generative video is made for this. Eerie environments, impossible scenes, atmosphere on demand. Vid.ai builds the cinematic dread, while your narration carries the story. Retention in horror is off the charts, and retention is what the algorithm rewards. Evergreen, and fast-moving. New AI tool drops every week. You can be the channel explaining it that day. This is where vid.ai's speed becomes your unfair advantage. While others are still editing, you've already published. Massive audience, strong sponsor demand, and it converts beautifully into courses, tools, and, hint, software offers. This is the niche where a shorts to pillar to offer funnel makes the most money, because the audience is actively looking to buy solutions. This is pure generative storytelling territory, scenes you cannot film in real life. It's where vid.ai stops being a shortcut and becomes a superpower. These shorts go viral on pure, how did they make that, curiosity. Pick one. Beginners, start with tech or business, they're forgiving. Pros, scaling, volume, stack finance and horror for CPM plus retention. Either way, vid.ai handles the production, so you can focus on the only two things that matter, hooks and consistency. And if you want to actually do this instead of just watching, I've dropped vid.ai in the pinned comment. Grab it, pick your niche, and follow along. But here's the thing, you can have the best niche and the most realistic videos on the platform and still make almost nothing, because you're missing the one system nobody teaches. Secret 3. This is the closer. Do not skip this. Here's the shift that changes everything. Stop trying to make money from the short. Make money from the system the short feeds. This is the shorts to pillar linking system, and it's a closed loop. No traffic leaks out. Let me hand you every lever. Every single short gets a pinned comment that links straight to your long-form pillar. Why this beats link in bio? It's clickable, persistent, and one tap from the exact video they just watched. No hunting, no profile detour. And that question at the end? It farms comments, which feeds the algorithm right back into more reach. YouTube lets you attach a related long-form video directly to a short. Always attach your pillar. It surfaces a clean thumbnail link right under the short, free, native, and high intent. Most creators leave this blank. That's free money left on the table. In the final 3 to 5 seconds, during your CTA beat, burn a small, full video tag into the corner. This trains the viewer's eye that there's more to watch, not just more to scroll. It's subtle conditioning, and it works. Kill the generic CTA. Replace it with a specific bridge that names the payoff, the realism formula, the model test, the money system. Specificity lifts click-through, because the viewer knows exactly what they're going to get. Look at what this does. Every short points inward to the pillar points to the offer, and your cluster videos cross-link to each other and back up. That's a closed-loop system. Traffic circulates and compounds instead of leaking out into the void. Here's the move that separates amateurs from operators. Match each short's link to the chapter it promised. Warmer click, higher retention on arrival. And you can deep link to a chapter timestamp. Just add and t equals 1200s to the URL so the viewer lands exactly on the payoff they were promised. That relevance match is what keeps retention high the moment they arrive. Promise realism, deliver them to the realism chapter. No friction, no confusion, no drop-off. This is why vid.ai, being able to produce both the shorts and the pillar matters. One tool builds your entire funnel, 5 shorts, and the long-form pillar, from the same engine, at the same speed. That's the bottleneck this whole niche has. Solved. Let's talk about the thing that kills 90% of shorts channels. You can't produce fast enough. The funnel only works if you're feeding it 5 shorts and a pillar, consistently. Manually? That's a full-time job, with a whole team. This is the exact problem. Vid.ai was built to erase. Fast processing, unique output every time, auto-assembled clips and B-roll, both formats from one workflow. Beginners get pro-looking results on day 1. Pros running generative storytelling at scale get the volume, the algorithm rewards, without burning out. That's not hype. That's the review consensus. Speed and volume, which, if you've been paying attention, is exactly what this entire monetization system runs on. Let's turn all of this into a plan you can start today. Do that for 1 week, and you'll have a live, closed-loop funnel that most creators never build in a year. So here's where you are right now. You've got the 3 secrets: the realism formula, the money niches, and the pipeline that actually monetizes attention. You've got the funnel map, the deep link strategy, and a 7-day plan. The only thing left is the engine, and I've made it dead simple. Vid.ai is in the pinned comment and the description. It's the one tool that produces your shorts and your pillar fast enough to actually feed this system. Tap it, pick your niche, and build your first closed-loop funnel this week. And if you want to see the exact 5 shorts I'd script first for a brand new channel, I break those down next. Click that one right now.